Hey guys, come on in.
Hey, good morning.
How are you?
Great.
We just got to put our booties on here.
Okay.
And then we got the launch too.
Romeo, it's Daddy's friends.
Hey Romeo, how are you, buddy?
You ready to kill some germs in here, Mark?
Absolutely. Let's get it done.
Awesome.
Good.
All right, Mark. So what we're getting you set up with today is a dynamic Aire UV light. So this is a UV cleaner. So you've got two bulbs here. One is going to go into the supply. One is going to go into the return. What these are going to do is they're going to knock out any type of viruses or bacteria or any type of mold. And it's basically going to zap them. It's going to denature those viruses so that they can't replicate in the host body, which is fantastic. The other one that I'm particularly excited about is you have a 5-inch ozone bulb on here that's going to eliminate any of those VOCs that are in the home, volatile organic compounds, or what I like to call the poopy diaper smells. You're going to be really happy after we're done installing that for you.
There it is. All right, so the guys at Apple Aire took care of us. They came in, gloved up, masked up, bootied up, and installed the UV lights to kill all those germs, all those nasty viruses. I'm telling you what, seriously, you can already smell the difference in here.